Regine and welcome to another vlog! So today guys, we have decided to go to the beach near Helsinki. So the name of the place is Hietsu. Is it right, babe? Yeah, so now I'm going to pack for our stuff because we're going to the beach and we are, if the water is not that cold, then we are going for swimming. So yeah, come and pack with me guys. So I have here all the stuff already and we are gonna be bringing this big duffel bag, is that the term? This one is from my thrift haul. So this is the yellow, like this, it's a picnic fabric. So I will be using this for later, so I will bring that. We have 2 towels here, one for each, and I'm not so good in packing, so yeah, please bear with me. His extra clothes, we have here his short and his t-shirt and some underwear. So for me, I have here my swimsuit and my underwear, and I decided to just wear the same dress for later when we are coming home. By the way, I'm also wearing the dress, maxi dress that I got from the thrift shopping from the haul that I did a couple of weeks ago. And then I have some extra plastic here because I don't have any other bag. So I have this plastic for the wet clothes later. I will put it on the side. I know you can't see the bag where I'm packing. And I have some Shein bags here for the small stuff, like for example the charger, the makeup stuff, and for the, you know, just small stuff like accessories that I'm gonna remove later. So I will be using this eco bag for myself, so I will put all my cameras here and my personal belongings. So here is the bag guys. It's very empty. And by the way, for the food, we are just going to bring some food from the fridge. We have some chocolate cake, we have some fruits, cherries, we have some I think we do have chips. I'm not sure, but yeah, we're just gonna bring some food here. And I'm craving for Subway Korean barbecue, so maybe I'm gonna get some before we go to the beach. I already did my makeup. It's just brows and some mascara and a little bit of blush on and some lip gloss. So that's all for my makeup today. And I will be using my earrings that I got from H&M for a couple of euros for 6 pairs. And there's like the smaller one here. I think we're ready to go. Oh, by the way, the sunblock. Yeah, I need to put the sunblock here. And shades. Wait, let me get my shades. So my shades this is from Sunny's Face. I got this last year in the Philippines and I like this very much. I used this when I was in Siargao. So yeah, I'm so ready guys. Let's go! Ordering some food now. Hi guys, we are now in the city and we are just waiting for the bus going to the beach area. And it's pretty busy here. Next time I will be the girl on the face here. Char. And yeah, the bus stop is this one. It's so dark, why? Hi. Say hi to the vlog. So guys, we just got off from the bus and we are just walking. It's 100 meters from here. I can actually see that already. It's on that way. So let's walk. I'm just wearing my slippers from H&M. This was from last year. I'm so excited. It's my first time in no, not this year, because I was in the year? No, because I was in the beach in January.
Oh yeah.
In Siargao. Oh, there's a lot of people. I'm so shy. I can see it from here.
Yeah, but not a lot.
I mean, not a lot like in the Philippines, like in Boracay.
That's like a Sunday.
There's a lot of there's a lot of people there. But you know, when you haven't done that for the longest time, it's like you just feel so shy. Okay, so I'll update you guys when we get there. Bye. So we already have changed to our swimming outfits, and we are just looking for a spot where we can hang out, and there's no birds.
Close to the flag. Let's
no.
Go.
Where? What flag is that?
Look at that. We are not gonna go there.
Where? Little chicken.
These days, it's not easy.
This is
So
mine.
here's our food. The smaller one is mine because I already took a bite. We have some cake and some cherries. I also brought some fork for the cake. I made this chocolate cake the other day.
Is it cold?
I think it's not cold. People are swimming. Maybe we're gonna swim later. And I'm now wearing my swimsuit, guys. Surprise!
You are or you are not?
I'm wearing my swimsuit now. This one is from last year. I didn't really buy any swimsuit this year because I just didn't have plans, you know, beach plans. But yeah, this one is from New Yorker. I'm gonna eat now, guys, so I'll update you later. I took the beef and cheese because they didn't have the Korean barbecue. So this is my first time trying this one. What did you have? Italian. Here's the cherries that I brought from home. And yeah, we have orange there and my chocolate cake. He doesn't like chocolate cake, so I just brought one slice.
I don't like anything sweet.
So you don't like me?
Cannot be really.
So guys, we are just chilling here. We have a really comfy pillow.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Is this soft?
And
Firm?
we just took some photos after eating, but it was a bad idea because we should have taken photos before eating because the tummy, you know, if you know what I mean. And I'm gonna flash some photos here later. Yeah, I'm gonna add some photos here. And what else? Why is smiling? So, he's busog na. He said he's full.
Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped all, I ran into the kitchen.
We are taking pictures. So we are now leaving, guys. We are just checking for the bus schedule and we are about to buy some ice cream here, but they are closed. So we're just gonna check this side of the beach here. We were there, somewhere there. So it's like this on this area. We're in the station now, guys, and we don't know which one is leaving because there are some cancelled trains. So we are still waiting which one will go first. Hey, number 18 has airport in it. It says airport already. There's a lot of people already here. Let's go home. So guys, we just arrived at home, and yes, I guess that's all for today's vlog. We really enjoyed our day today in the beach, and yes, I guess I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!